are going to make liver curry.
Usually people don't like to eat liver, but it is very high in vitamin A, iron and zinc.
Let us start. We will start off with frying the onions, but first we need to put the flame to medium high. And then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then we're going to put 3 to 4 blended onions. And we're going to cook the onions till it becomes golden brown. After stirring it for almost 10 minutes, we are going to put the ginger garlic paste and the garam masala. And then we're going to put the garam masala. 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, a few cinnamon sticks, and a few bay leaves. Stir the garam masala for 1 minute. And now we're going to put the almond flour. After stirring everything, we are going to put tomato puree of 4 to 5 tomatoes. And we're going to stir it for 10 minutes. After the raw tomato smell is gone, we are going to be putting the liver. This is about 1.5 pounds of liver. Make sure not to cook the liver for too long or else it will become hard. And it's medium to high heat. After we're done cooking it for 5 minutes, we are going to add mint, cilantro, and some chilies. And then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And some salt. We didn't add the salt while cooking the liver because it would make the liver hard. 2 more minutes and you're ready to enjoy your curry. If you think the curry is too thick, you can add some water. Now the curry is done. Let's try it. We're going to have the liver curry with the paleo roti. The paleo roti is a recipe for another time. Yummy!